I'm going to show you a little bit more about your categories and rearranging your categories and copying your categories in this video. So go to any one of your courses. So I'm going to go to my honors geometry course. In any course, if you want to see the categories that you already have or see if you have any of them set up yet, you click on the left-hand side on grade setup. So if you look at my honors geometry course right here, I already have a bunch of them in here. Okay. So I pull up Power Teacher. So Power Teacher Pro. Okay. And I go to grading. So you're going to hit A plus grading on the left side over here, and you're going to hit categories so that you can see all of your categories that are set up. Again, I've already said this before, but I have these in color coded in a nice order that I want them in. So you can actually do the same exact thing in Schoology. So I have discussion, participation, video completion, homework assignment. So if I click back over here, discussion, participation, video completion, homework assignment is added, but it's down here. So I want them in the same order. So don't click on this. You actually click on the arrow and you drag it to reorder it. So all I did was click on the arrow and I just pushed it up and it went to these first three in the order that I want them in. So my Power Teacher Pro, if you look up here, my Power Teacher Pro is open right next door. So my next one is quick assessment. So let me see if I have that one in here. I do not. So I'm going to add a category. So over here, you add a category. Oops, it's prompting me to save changes. So yes, of course I want to save the changes that I just made. So add a category, and I'm doing quick assessment, which again, I've already typed in before. Total points, not dropping the lowest, create. Okay, now quick assessment did not go in the fourth spot like I want it to be in over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 spot. So I'm going to click on the arrow and slide it down to the 4th spot. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in here like I do over here. Quiz partial chapter, test full chapter. Quiz partial chapter is down here at the bottom. So I'm going to drag that up so that it is below quiz or quick assessment and so forth. So you can add and you can delete. So if you're going to delete, remember you just hit the X and it asked you to delete. I don't want to delete anything right now. Okay. Now, let's just say mine's all set up how I want it to be set up. Okay. So if it's all set up how you want it and you know you're going to use that in your other classes. So let's say you have, 3 math classes and 3 science classes. And so you know you're going to use this same category setup in your other math classes. Then you are going to just copy this. You do not have to do this process again. You are just going to copy all of this. And to do that, you're going to come over here and hit copy. Whoops, save changes again. So now let me do that again. So I'm going to hit copy settings and I can copy these to any class I want to. Okay. So I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to copy them to, so this is my honors geometry class. So I'm going to do honors math 8 section 2. I'm going to copy it to that. And it says the selected items have been copied. So we can check and make sure. I'm going to go to my courses and I did honors 8th grade math section 2, which I did not previously have any categories in. And remember, once you're in your course, you go down here to the grade setup on the left-hand side and ta-da, my categories are all in here already. Okay. So if you want to, so let me go back to my courses in honors geometry. Now, if I want to, in my grade setup and my categories, I don't just have to copy to one class. I can copy to any class that I want to. It's so convenient. So if you have all math classes and you're going to use the same thing, then you can do it right from there. But if you have some classes that you don't want to use those same settings on, then you don't have to click on them. And that's it.